All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the quick selection tool and the magic wand tool. So let's head over to Photoshop and let's save this document from the previous lecture. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out and we're going to make a new file. So let's go File, New, and I'll grab the default Photoshop size and hit OK. But before I hit OK, I'm going to name this quick selection tool. There we go. Okay, and then let's do File, Save As, 04, Quick Selection Tool. All right, cool. Now what I want you to do is make a couple layers, so just double click on this, make a couple, do two more please. Okay, so now we have 4 layers. So what I'm going to do is in layer 1, I'm going to grab the Marquee tool here, rectangular Marquee tool, and I'm going to make this black. I'm going to hold Alt and drag it over here, and then hold it again and do it here, and do it here as well. Okay, so I'll delete these, and now we have 4 layers right here. Okay, so the first tool we're going to talk about is the quick selection tool. So if I go right here with the little paintbrushes with the lasso looking tool, or the selection tool is, I should say. If I select that, or if I hit W, that's going to select the tool. So there we go. And if I click, now with this tool you have to have the layer selected. So if layer 1 copy 3 is selected, then I can only select layer 1 copy 3. If I have layer 1 selected, which is up here, then I need to hit Control D to deselect and then come up here. And what it's going to do is it's going to let me select a little bit or everything. Okay. Now you can select the whole page, but it's not going to allow you to do anything with any of the other content. It's only going to let you mess with this one. So if I did this, okay, so if I did that and hit delete, it's just going to work there. It's not going to work anywhere else. Okay. So that's the quick selection tool. And W is the keyboard shortcut for that. So I'm going to hit Control Z to undo all this. And then Control D to deselect. Now we're going to talk about the magic wand tool. Okay, so the magic wand tool is the same idea. Essentially what you're going to do is if you created let's create one more layer here. Give you a better example. So let's say that I made this shape here and I wanted to select it. So one way you can do it is Control A to select the whole area, or you can grab the magic wand tool with W, or by clicking on the quick selection tool and then going down to magic wand tool. And what that's going to do is you can select the whole image, or in this case the shape. So if I hit Control D to deselect that and go to layer 1, I can select that layer as well. So any objects in that layer I can select with the magic wand tool. I use this tool all the time. It's awesome. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.